Hi guys, how are you all? I am Zulfikar from Sanbangla. Today I am going to show about a very good website for earn money. If you want earn money, you can try this website. Ojooo. Ojooo is a best earning site. I am also work in this website. If you have free time, so you will try this website. Already I have talked a lot, so no more other talk. Let's go. Guys, first you open a browser. After opening a browser, search by word.ojooo.com. Then see search a page will come. Then click sign up. Then see search a page will come. First look at the username. You can give your name and it is better to give it few numbers. Then enter a password. The password must have the capital letter, a small letter and the number. You enter the password below. Enter the email address. Then you can give Zulfikar02 at the referral option below. Then fill the CAPTCHA below. You see traffic light. And then verify. Then look down. I did and accept the general terms and conditions and the data protection of ojooo. Then click yes. Then click the register. After clicking a message will be sent your Gmail account. Open the Gmail. You see this message here. Then click on the message. Then you will see search a letter. Then click on the verify account. Then I am not a robot. Traffic light. Okay, then verify. Then click on the verify. Your account will be verified. Then go to the browser and log in your account. My username and my password. Then fill in the CAPTCHA. Extra font. This one, and this one. Verify. Then login. Guys, this is my new account. My account is ready. Thank you guys. My next video will show how to work here. Subscribe my channel. It will be useful to get my next video. Don't forget to like and comment.